It's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this Sonic Electric Toothbrush. I'm super excited about this. It has the cleaning mode, a whitening mode, a polishing mode, a gum care mode, and a sensitivity mode, and it's rechargeable. Let's open this up and check this out, because who does not want a really good toothbrush, right? So first of all, a carrying case, great for traveling. I mean, this thing doesn't come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 toothbrush heads. And it sits just like that. And then you have your charging cable, which you can literally just put right there in the bottom. And slide that on like that. Slide that on like that. Carrying case, and you can even put a toothbrush head in there just like that. And just like that, you can travel with it too. And then you have the little stand so that you can like just stand it up and charge it. I got this free for review, and this is a really neat product to have. It's a rechargeable Sonic toothbrush, and you have 5 cleaning modes. You have the cleaning mode, the whitening mode, the polish mode, the gum care mode, and the sensitive mode, and your nice toothbrush bristles and a nice carrying case, which I have to close, and the stand. All of this comes in that package with 10 heads for your toothbrush. I got this free for review, and I highly recommend this.